Today's video is a big one because we're installing two massive steel beams that are critical to the structure of this Barndo style build. These beams are what will allow us to create the large open spaces inside without a forest of support walls. So this is a huge milestone in the framing process. We will be getting both beams set in place, and later in the video, I'll give you an update on how the framing is coming along now that most of the structure is standing. We will also do a full walkthrough so you can really start to see the layout and get a feel for how this house is going to come together. Let's get to it. Shackles. So putting the shackles together.
It looks kind of puny, but that's still a 6.5 ton shackle right there. So we're good. I mean, we wouldn't like. It's from you.
It is.
Yeah, those are from me.
You're welcome. So this is an 18-inch beam, and all of the ceiling joists or floor joists, eye joists is what goes between the beams, are all 12-inch. So they've cut down, we're roughly 6 inches down in a pocket here, and then this goes down to here, and then this is all filled solid. And then if you watch back at the videos when we did the foundation, this is one of those spots where we can't see it anymore, but this is one of the spots where we did a larger footing and thicker. It's 24 inches thick, so all that weight carries down to the ground. Now it's time to get the steel beam rigged up to the big 350 excavator. Glad Chris is on site to help. These things are incredibly heavy, so taking our time and making sure everything is secure is the name of the game here. Remember, with me, it's always safety first. Well, you want me to grab the magnet? All right, one beam down and one more to go. That was actually the smaller one. The next beam is almost twice as long and definitely going to be a little more challenging to get into place. Let's see if we can make it happen without any surprises. As you can see, things are really starting to come together now. Once these beams are installed, it completely changes the look of the structure and gives you a much better idea of what the finished spaces are going to feel like. It is always exciting when a project reaches the point where it starts looking like a home instead of just a construction site. This beam that we set first supports the wall for the second floor because this entire area is open, so it's a two-story living room, and then that supports that, and then there's one across the garage that just supports the floor system. All right, you good? Muy bueno, kinda bueno. Yeah.
Because the fuel, we don't got no holes.
Yeah, my guy can drill them.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we wanted to get it fast. Jane, we've got the stuff to drill it. You want me to drill it?
Yeah, and for
To put the lags in. Okay. Yeah, I'll send them up here because he's going to move the rebar. You just tell him what he wants. He'll do it.
Okay.
All right.
Perfecto.
Gracias.
Muy bien.
Yeah, muy bien. Now we muy bien. All right. All right, y'all stick around with me. You'll learn job site Spanish.
They've definitely got a lot of work done on this Barndo. These are the two walls that were put up with the crane. They got a staircase put in now. The hallways are much easier to see where they are now. Most of all the siding, if not all of it, is up. The whole floor / roof for the first floor has been installed. Here is that other staircase. Nice big straight one right here. And then this is the garage. It looks like there's gonna be a big garage door, like a double maybe. And then what looks like a single garage door. And another single, lets you kind of pull straight through. And then you've got your man door right here. Here is that steel beam that Chris helped us put in. And I'll show you the other one. Here is the other steel beam. Take a look at this. Now these are not permanent structures. These are makeshift structures that are put up just for the time being to allow the workers to work on the roof and other parts that do need to be permanent. After all those parts are finished, they'll take all this down. This is all just temporary boards and framework.
If you saw the last video, like a dummy, I was like, oh, what's this hallway and 2 doors and all that crap. Yeah, so no, it says stairs. So this actually goes up to an unfinished space. Now what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to put a door at the bottom because this is unfinished, which also means not conditioned. Yeah. So it'll be like a railing up here or something. What's the end up? Could build a wall here with a door. So I have a couple options to think about. But this is a nice, large, unfinished space that someone else can come in and finish. Now, let me tell you about something. Now, not all unfinished spaces are created equal. So if you want to come in and finish this one, we've already put the I-joist underneath. We put a Vantech down. So all this is sheathed. We're gonna have nice windows, the whole 9 yards. So this space is ready where you could come in and finish it into a theater, a couple more rooms if you wanted, whatever. Versus sometimes you'll get these and they don't have sheathing, or something wasn't done with the roof correctly and you don't have enough insulation or whatever. Just gotta watch for that. Yeah, this is the office. Closet, bathroom, stairs up, loft area, hallway, bedroom, nice sized bedrooms too, not teeny tiny, with a shared bath. We'll walk into that on the other side. All the floors are Vantech. They're all liquid nailed down. Walk through here. To go into the shared bath, this is a closet on the right. This tub going here. Yeah, it's a pretty nice plan. This was originally a plan that Quincy, you guys have seen occasionally on the channel. We're going to build. He's building a different plan now, but you'll see that.
This is the office. So this could be, you actually won't have access there. This is a closet. I just haven't framed it yet. So come up there. Like I said, I think we'll put a wall here and a door so this space is sealed off is what will happen. Let's look over here and see what it looks like from the loft. Built themselves their own scaffolding. Next week they'll be telling me they need more sheathing and 2x8s. Boards. Oh yeah. A railing up here. Yeah, that'd be nice to look into. There's big corner windows here. So you can look out into the lake. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty. All right, you could be my neighbor. Limited spaces. It's not much. This is pretty much it. There's that mill lot in the back is for sale. I sold it to someone, but they put it back on the market. She's not going to be staying around here now, so I might end up building a spec there depending on how far along we get on this and if they've had anyone buy it. A neighbor, it's the first lot I sold. They're moving in about 7 days, about a week. Yeah, today's Friday, so a week from today. And then there's Castle, and then this one. That's it. So 4 total. Give up a little bit of privacy for financial security. It's one of those things. Probably start kind of guesstimating on what we have left versus I still got to finish the roof here. Okay. And then out this side, we got the farmhouse. As soon as we finish the castle, all that crap is moving. Hey, what are you doing, Crow? And put that tree there for you. Yep, got the farmhouse, which a lot of people ask about it. We are keeping it. There's a whole family history, story, surprise thing that one of these days I'll get around to telling. All those would stay. Yeah, we dug some up there for the borrow pit, but all that stays how it is. That corner over there stays how it is, across the lake. These will grow up. I'm probably going to plant on the other side between the oaks. I'll probably plant some sort of bushes or something that get some color and stuff to them. That the carport being there, that's the one we put in a while back that was over where the machine shed's going. That'll move. We just got that set up right now so Tater can cut bricks out of the sun. That won't be visible. The bus is going. Chicken houses move, trailers move, so yeah, all that'll get cleaned up as the house gets done. We won't need it. It'll be good, and that's it.
Thanks for watching. This Barndo build is moving right along, and there are a lot of exciting things coming up that you won't want to miss. We've got more framing, mechanicals, exterior work, and plenty of challenges ahead as we push towards completion. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and double check that you're subscribed to the channel. YouTube has been cleaning up inactive accounts lately, so it's worth making sure you are still subscribed so you keep following these builds. I appreciate every one of you for watching and supporting the channel. We'll see you in the next one.